How to enable others to save your post. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enable others to save your posts easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee app. Once you are here, click on For You page to go to here and click on those three lines up there. You're gonna find sitting at the bottom, click on it. Now all you need to do is click on privacy and you're gonna find enable others to save my posts. When disabled, others cannot save your posts. So this is it. You can turn on or off this option, whatever you are comfortable with, so you can make sure no one can save your posts on Likee app. And this is it. Make it privacy for you. Just hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and help us with a like.